With every regret, with every mistake, with every time I hate, I break a little more. I know my wrongs from my rights, I know my days from my nights, I know sin from His word, I know do what you're told, I know don't ask when I say no, 'cause sometimes I wonder why we go with the flow. Keep your head up when you're feeling down, don't ever let someone make you frown. Smile leading through the tears, leave the weeping to the willow trees. Sometimes I don't feel right, sometimes I see black and white, but I try to be strong when I'm the weakest. I'm always picking myself up and dusting myself off, but not anymore. I kicked my troubles out the fucking door.